In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a caption photo on Google Drive in just a few simple steps. If you've ever uploaded images and wished you could neatly add a description, figure number, or label underneath them, this guide is for you. Stick with me till the end, and you'll know the easiest way to make your images look professional and well organized. First, open your Google Drive. On the left-hand side, click the New button and choose Google Docs. This will open a fresh document where you can work with both text and images. Next, insert your image. Go to the top menu, click Insert, hover over Image, and select your source. You can upload from your computer, pick something already in Drive, or even search the web. Once you select your picture, it will appear inside your document. Now, position your cursor right below the image and type your caption. This could be a simple description, a title, or even a figure number like Figure 1 product image. Once your caption is typed, you can format it to match your style. Highlight the text and use the toolbar at the top, change the font size, make it bold or italic, or center it so it looks perfectly aligned under the picture. If you'd like to keep the image and caption locked together, here's a neat trick. You can insert a table with one column and two rows. Place the image in the top cell and the caption in the bottom cell. This ensures that no matter how you move things around, the image and caption will always stay connected. And that's it. Your changes save automatically in Google Drive, so there's no need to hit save. You've successfully added a caption photo to your document. If this guide helped you, make sure to drop a like and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.